Cattle futures were able to stage a recovery today with live cattle and feeders higher across the board. At the close, August live cattle futures $2.97 higher to $239.70. Those deferred contracts, though, they lagged in today's strength. August feeder cattle futures, they were up $3.45 to $354.10. And over on the snout side, it was a softer tone yet again, with the July contract down $1.22 to $96.15. That August contract, which is starting to pick up in terms of trade volume, dropped $1.45 to $94.70. This morning's wholesale box beef report, that was mixed. Choice cuts 34 cents lower to $391.86, and select cuts 41 cents higher to $378.50. Yesterday's 5-area average price for live steers, that was reported at $256.53, and that is fairly steady with what we've seen here in recent reports. Daily slaughter, that was reported at 102,000 head, and that's about 10,000 head fewer than the same day last year. Screwworm cases in the U.S., that seems to be the hot topic, and those reports are starting to pick up. Many analysts expecting that to be the trend through the summer months. So far, cases in the U.S. are isolated to Texas, with one report of a case being detected in a dog. And the USDA continues to ramp up their efforts to minimize the effects by creating quarantine zones, as well as increasing trapping and surveillance efforts.